This 2026 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 273 DBHCK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 33 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 10, TV, slide-out, refrigerator, awning, water heater, skylight, microwave, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 273 DBHCK is 7,408 pounds. This 2026 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 273 DBHCK. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.